How do you know when the system is broken? Maximum drawdown is exceeded. Watch it very closely. Trade level stats on average over the last 50, 100 trades fall outside the range of those trade level stats, when averaged over the last 50, 100 trades for the life of the backtest. Volatility of the equity curve increases dramatically, and the unconstrained capital backtest kind of levels off and loses its edge. But that will also be shown if you do an average of the last 100 trades, the average of the profit per trade over the last 100 trades. You'll see that kind of falling off.